Stop. If you're struggling with constant joint discomfort, stiffness or inflammation and you've tried pills, creams or supplements that did nothing long-term, you need to see this before spending your money. Because ArcticBlast claims to support joint comfort using a completely different, inside-out approach, and today I'm breaking down what it really is, how it works, who it's for and how to get my $297 bonus bundle free. Let's get into the truth. Hi and welcome. If you're watching this, you're probably looking for a natural, daily support solution for joint comfort, mobility and long-term wellness, without relying on harsh methods. This is an honest ArcticBlast review, focused on education, ingredients and real-world use. What is ArcticBlast? ArcticBlast is a dietary supplement designed to support joint comfort and flexibility by helping the body maintain a healthy inflammatory response. Instead of masking discomfort, ArcticBlast focuses on supporting the body's internal balance, which is key for joint health as we age. It's designed for daily use and fits easily into a wellness routine. How ArcticBlast works. ArcticBlast is based on the idea that chronic joint discomfort is often connected to internal inflammation and lifestyle stressors. By supporting a healthy inflammatory response, joint tissue nourishment and overall mobility support, ArcticBlast aims to help your body feel more comfortable naturally and gradually, rather than forcing quick, short-term results. Benefits people look for. People typically use ArcticBlast to support better joint comfort, improved daily movement, reduced stiffness after rest, easier mobility during daily activities and long-term joint wellness support. This is especially appealing to people who want a consistent, lifestyle-friendly solution rather than constant trial and error. Inside ArcticBlast, what makes it different? ArcticBlast combines ingredients chosen to support joint comfort, healthy inflammation balance, mobility and flexibility. It's not positioned as a miracle cure, it's meant to be used consistently, alongside healthy habits, hydration and movement. Results and usage, what to expect. ArcticBlast is designed for daily use. Most people don't look for overnight changes, instead, they use it as part of a routine to support long-term comfort, gradual improvement, sustainable joint wellness and consistency matters with supplements like this. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros. Easy daily routine, supports joints from the inside out, designed for long-term wellness and no complicated protocols. Cons. Not an instant solution, requires daily consistency and works best with a healthy lifestyle. If you decide to try ArcticBlast using my link below, you'll also receive my exclusive $297 bonus bundle free. Here's exactly what you get. Bonus 1. The Anti-Inflammation Diet. Price $37 free today. An easy-to-follow ebook with simple anti-inflammatory meal ideas, recipes and meal plans and a perfect companion to ArcticBlast. Bonus 2. Feed Your Joints. Back to Life. Price $29 free today. A collection of fast, easy and tasty recipes. Foods designed to support joint wellness and everyday meals that fit busy lifestyles. Bonus 3. Longevity Secrets from the Healthiest 100-Year-Olds. Price $29 free today. Discover daily habits of long-living individuals, lifestyle wisdom passed down over generations, and simple principles for long-term health. Total bonus value, $297, yours free. So, is ArcticBlast worth it? If you're looking for a natural, lifestyle-friendly way to support joint comfort and mobility, ArcticBlast is definitely worth considering. And with my $297 bonus bundle included, it's an even stronger value. Click the link in the description below. Try ArcticBlast today, lock in your free bonuses and support your joint health naturally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.